Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Kitty, this is Ginger Me Glam, and you are watching the unboxing of the swag box from the Toy Insider Sweet at Home virtual conference. Let's go ahead and see what's inside this big old box. It arrived at my doorstep and I received it in exchange to unbox and show you everything that's inside. So yes, this is sponsored because I received it, but these are 100% my opinions, and I can't wait to show you what's inside because I know my little one is going to love it. Your little one's probably going to love it too. Let's check it out. So the Toy Insider sent us the Sweet at Home swag box. Thank you so much. I cannot wait. Okay, so let's go ahead and open it up and see what's inside. All right, so, oh, okay. I'm really excited. So we've got a lot of fun things in here. I don't even know where to start. Okay, so let me just start pulling things out and then we'll talk about it, okay? All right, sounds good. Okay, so looks like we have some poster markers, which are extra helpful, especially because my little one will be learning at home with me, and we have to make sure that we can write big old, bold equations. Very simple. We're in kindergarten, calm down. Or drawing fun things like a house or clouds or the weather, right? Check it out. So this is the Crayola Project extra large poster markers set. Now they have low odor, they're thick and crisp. Ooh, wow, and they're in the classic colors. What? Okay, I'm excited to try these out. Apparently you can use them for signs, posters, signs for projects, pretty much everything that's useful. So if you want to take a look. Oh, that's so much fun. Yes, I can't wait to go mark things up. Look what we have here. We have a Kodak puzzle. Now, if you're like me, you grew up with Kodak film, took pictures, yes. So they're taking their photos and made these cute puzzles. I can't wait to put them all together. I know my little one loves puzzles. All right, what is next in the box? Let's see. We have Roblox, Cristello the Crystal God. This is for ages 8 and up. Discover millions of games on Roblox.com. Cool, and you get a virtual item too. I love the color too, and you can see like the attention to detail. It just blows my mind. I know my son's gonna love this. He likes little action figures and playing different games with them and saving the world. And he loves Roblox. This is really gonna be exciting for him. Oh, cute! This is the stick bot. Collect all of us. Look how cute. Okay, so you create and animate and share. So basically it helps you with stop motion video. There's a free app you can download and you can use the hashtag stickbot. Oh, that's cute. We do a lot of like stop motion fun little things, and I'm trying to teach my son, so this is really a great tool for him because he has an iPad and then he can get creative too. How cute. Okay. I love this booth at the Virtual Con. It was my fave because we actually have a little turtle. My son was showing it during the conference too, and they loved it. So Aurora World, this is definitely a must. Pom Pals, look how cute. Oh, it sits on your little hand. It's a cute little hedgehog. It's so adorable. Oh my gosh. Okay. So this is one of their eco-friendly toys. This plush is doing its part to help reduce plastic usage and use recycled materials. The fiber fill is made from 100% recycled plastics, cloth labels are made from recycled materials, and the plastic pellets inside, when used, are made from recycled plastics. That's awesome. Sustainable, cute, adorable, and your little one can have fun too. Do you remember Blue's Clues? I know I do. And one of my favorites. My son loves watching it now. And oh, this is so cute. So this one is blue, and it's, well, obviously it's blue. But it's for ages 3+. That's what I'm looking for as a mama. So that's for ages 3 and up. Oh, this is so cute. It's a nice little plushie. Aw, and the big noser. Oh, cool! We have Poppet from Truckle and Roar. Okay, so the never-ending bubble popping game. Oh, that's so fun. This is a great little fun way to pop over and over. If you can see that on here. So you can bring it on the go. And you don't have to have bubble wrap. You have this fun little toy, Poppet. This is for ages 3 to 10, for 1 to 2 people to play with it. And it's about a 5+ minute of engagement. Okay, that's fun. I know on car rides, stuff like this is definitely a game changer between crying and screaming and miserable experience to a fun car ride. It's toy makers like you that make the ride a little bit smoother. Thank you. Ooh, okay, so we also have a tote bag. So on the one side it says Kitten Cafe and the other side says Cute Girls Hairstyles. And it's reusable, so this is gonna be great. We can use it for groceries and fun on the go. It's the Toby watch. Okay, so we watched this presentation and my son was bananas over it. He loved this smartwatch. So Toby is for kids, so they can do things like us. They have their fitness tracker. It also makes different expressions and moves its arms and legs. You can take photos and do silly stickers, and you can choose from 50+ watch faces. Can't wait to activate this one. I know my son's gonna love it. This is a favorite in our house. Play-doh. So Play-doh is great because you can stretch them and mold and make all kinds of fun stuff. This one has elastics in it. Oh, this is really fun, so it doesn't tear. Okay, so they made like this cute little frog on the front and like a snake on a branch. Oh, that's cute. Oh, that's so great. Okay, so it comes in purple, yellow, green, and red. Can't wait to try these out. Oh my gosh, everything's upside down. This is the upside down challenge game, if you couldn't guess from the name. So you're basically playing this game with your family. The vision's flipped upside down and there's like these difficult tasks and even simple ones that you can try to do, like pouring water into another bottle. Yeah, that's not gonna be easy when everything is flipped upside down. I can't wait to try this one out. Ooh, Adventure Academy, they sent us this fun frisbee. We actually used ABC Mouse, so I can't wait for my son to get older and be able to use Adventure Academy. What do we have here? Oh, my gift! My son loves these. We collect them and we have a lot of different ones right now, which we need to make a separate video just for that. Okay, so what I love about this one is how it like slides up, and you can save the boxes to actually have the little toy interact with its surroundings. And then you can take pictures with it sitting in here. That's why I like these toys, they're really cute. And which one do we have? Let's take a look. Okay, so this one is from the hashtag Wow family, and it is Hot Taco, hashtag crying. So you press on here. Crying. It's so cute, right? Oh my goodness. We have Scooby-Doo from Playmobil. Okay, so this is like a little character with a lot of different pieces. Very cute. So it's the figurine. All right. There are 12 ghosts to collect, and you get a ghost card and a sticker. And then we also have Calico Critters, the baby camping series. Look how cute. We've got more fun. Okay, so we have Ryan's Road Trip. Oh, cool. Mystery micro figurine. So more toys to collect and unbox. We even have like a bigger set where you can get all of them, and there's like exclusives, so definitely need to check these out. And we've got Slinky. This is one of my favorites growing up. I would just put him on the stairs or on boxes and let it walk. The walking spring toy. So if you're not familiar, definitely want to get your little one this classic. So this is the Fat Brain Toys. It's got this little pouch with the brain on it, and then it has like the little popper toy here to keep you busy. Hatchimals, Collectibles. Get it? Egg Collectibles. The Cosmic Candy. Oh, this is cute. New peel, new reveal, new hatch. Hatch the whole galaxy. Cosmic multi-pack. So this is for kids 5 and up. And they have a bunch of different collectible ones that you can get. Wow, so there's 50 plus to collect, to be exact. Ooh, and this is the Go-Go Gachas. I wish I had shoes that looked like this. That would be really cool. So this one has, ooh, charm capsules, mystery charms, all sorts of special features. There's like a button. Ooh, and a little ball that comes out of here. Oh, that's fun. And I can wear the little bracelet or put it on one of the stuffed animals. Oh, how cute. This is Playful Pandas. It's one of my favorite type of animals. I love pandas. This one laughs out loud, and you can teach it to sing and sing with other panda friends. So this one's name is Sweetie. Aw, she says we're gonna be BFFs. Oh, that's so cute. So it's for ages 5 and up. Aw, I like little toys like this. My son will probably want to collect them all, so then we have all the pandas hanging out. And I mean, I'm not opposed to it either. Bring on the pandas. Whoa, we've got Kid Tracks Real Rigs. It's a puzzle inside. Yeah, my son's gonna love that. Hours and hours of fun. That's why I love puzzles, because you just put it down on the table and they'll be focused and look at it for a long time and you know where they are. So I was more of I grew up in the 90s kind of kid, but this started in the 80s. And look at this, this is super cute. So you adopt the little pound puppy, it's a newborn, they're huggable, they have their own adoption certificate, and they're very soft. Oh, how cute, and it has a removable diaper. It's like a little baby. Okay, definitely have to check these out for the holidays. Instead of getting a real dog, you can get one of these. Okay, so this one caught me by surprise. This is Burping Bobby. Okay, so it's like a hippo. It says, watch out for this burp. Okay, so you pick a token and check the number. You feed the hippo, and then you turn the crank to hear him chew. And then watch out for the burp. Oh, this is funny. Okay, so it's for 2 to 4 players, ages 4 and up. All right. I can't wait to play this one. I know little one's gonna be giggling. So this is Blockaroo Magnetic Foam Builders. So you're building with these little foam magnetic shapes. Then it comes with the 2 little wings, a critter head, Buddy, who is 2 pieces. That's this up here. And then it has 2 spheres, 5 caps, 5 elbows, and an idea book. Oh, this is great. Oh, and they're dishwasher safe? Bath friendly? Okay, this is a really great toy because it's for 18 plus. These 17 jumbo pieces are perfect for STEM learning, and you can take it from the bath to the car to the living room, everywhere. And it's soft foam. The dishwasher safe part, that's the part that got me. Thank you for making it easy to clean. Whew, talk about a big box inside of a box. Wow. Okay, so this is a wicked big kickball. Oh my goodness. Okay, so this is definitely up in the level of kickball, but now as a parent teaching my son, it's a whole different ball game. Battle Academy with Pokemon. Pokemon, gotta catch 'em all. Pokemon. If you didn't know, I would wake up early in the morning, watch Pokemon growing up. I would do like the little Poke Rap and know all the different Pokemon. But back then there were only 150, and then they introduced 151 with Mew. So yeah, it's been a while. But we've been keeping up with all the different levels and different games that have been released. And this is definitely a game changer for children, because I remember growing up and doing the Pokemon card tournament, and I didn't know how to play, and it was a little confusing, but now they've made it a lot easier, and I can't wait to play this one. Oh! And my little one will be excited too, because now we can explain everything instead of saying, well, that's just because the card says that, or, but why? Now we have the rules, so we can tell you why. You know that very famous question, why? Ah! Now we can explain and have fun, and with Pokemon, so you know they're gonna pay attention too. Whew, that was a lot of toys. Okay, Thank you so much, Toy Insider, for all these amazing toys, all the vendors that were a part of Sweet Sweet at Home Virtual Con. I have all these fun toys to now play with my son and for him to enjoy. And stay tuned for more. I really had a great time. Thank you so much. If you love this unboxing video, please subscribe to the channel. Give this video a thumbs up because it was awesome. And leave us some love in the comments. What was your favorite toy? Thank you again. See you next time.